Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add combo animations to a text box in the CapCut app. First we have to open up the app, and here it opens up in the edit menu where we have our projects. From here we just tap on a project that we would like to work on. Here we tap on text in the bottom row, and then we click on the text box that we would like to edit. Here we tap on style, then animations, as you can see here. After it loads, we will be able to select whether we want to add an in, an out, or a combo animation. You just have to wait a little bit. Anyways, it's basically the same thing. You just tap on the animation, then you tap on OK, and that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe.